Hello, this is David Swallow, Application Engineer for 3Design. Today we're going to take a look at parametric construction in 3Design CAD. 3Design uses associative parametrics, meaning by linking objects to one another, we can make changes to one and the other will update seamlessly. In non-parametric software, to make changes you have to save multiple variations of your file, or undo and roll back your changes. In 3Design, we can make those changes and then update the history without having to rebuild the file. 3Design keeps track of your parameters and history in the tree. Each consecutive step is recorded and you can re-edit them at any time. Even after you close the file, when you reopen it, the history will still be there. Need to make a change, double-click the operation, update your parameters, and then recompute the history. Let's take a look at the ring I've previously built. Because of parametrics, I can change things like the ring size, and everything I've linked to that ring size will update. If I double-click the ring size builder in the tree, it'll take me back to that step. Originally, I chose a size 7 US. You'll also notice the top plane on the ring size builder. I've used this to set my stone location, and I've also built the shank to offset from the finger hole. If I change the size to, let's say, a size 10, take a look at the tree. You see that all of these steps have a calculator next to them, meaning I need to update their history since I made a change to a part that they were linked to. I simply hit the recompute button. The history updates and now the ring is bigger, and the stone and thickness of my ring all update seamlessly, keeping the same proportions. Let's take a look at another parametric change I can make. Here's the profile I used to make the shape of our shank. Currently it's a rectangular shape. If I decide later I want to make my shank more of a half round, I just double click the curve to edit it. We'll shape it to the new shape I want. Exit back out of the sketch. Once again, the history needs to be updated, this time just the shank portion as it was using that curve. Simply hit recompute. So just those steps are updated and my shank now has a round shape reflecting the change I made to the profile curve. Finally, you see I've made 5 different versions, all starting with the same file. No need to rebuild each one separately. I easily updated the parts I wanted to change, the shank shape, profiles, ring sizes, stone sizes, and then updated and saved each version. Thanks for watching. This is just a quick look at some parametric examples. You'll learn a lot more about associative parametrics as you explore and learn 3Design.